Hi there. Are you feeling the build for this full moon in Libra that's coming up? Full moon in Libra opposing Aries. Fiery, get started Aries is ruled by Mars, and then we have gentle Libra, who's all about finding balance and ruled by Venus. So essentially, this is about taking action in love and in beauty and in finding that balance in your life between work and joy and enjoyment, finding that balance. So I encourage you with this full moon coming up, which is a culmination. It's shining a light on what's not serving us. It's about releasing. So think about, more importantly, actually meditate on where you're feeling some extra pressure and where you need to let go. And I have some crystal recommendations to help with that. Below, when it's available, I'll be posting the link to my blog post, which specifically will talk about how to use each crystal for this full moon. And again, these crystals are great for any time, but these are my picks for this specific full moon in Libra. Okay, so I have Amazonite, Smoky Quartz, Rose Quartz, and Labradorite. I want to say also that this full moon is peaking on Saturday. Easter is on Sunday. So think of this as a time energetically we just had the spring equinox and we have Easter coming. So it's really a great time about rebirthing. And to rebirth, we have to let something go. So I really encourage you again to read that email on how to use the crystals, how to do a full moon releasing ceremony so that you can benefit from this energy. So Amazonite, the first one, is all about speaking from your heart. It's about connecting the heart and the throat. And with this full moon being ruled by Venus, this is very much about our hearts. And we want to release, and we connect the heart and the throat so that we can verbally release what we need to. Okay, we can say it out loud, we can write it, but it's about getting into our heart and releasing what's no longer serving us so that we can move into Rose Quartz, about self-love, about nurturing, about loving ourselves, about attracting the right kind of love to our life, the love that nourishes our soul, the love that helps us to evolve and to awaken on a deeper level. And Smoky Quartz helping us to release. Again, this stone is great for grounding. It activates that root chakra, helping us to feel balance and in harmony where we are at in our life in that moment so that we can move forward, right? We have to be in the emotions of feeling good, not in fear, to move forward. And Smoky Quartz helps to banish that fear. And then Labradorite, helping to bring the subconscious to the conscious for magical transformations. This is known as the stone of magic. It helps to activate the crown and our third eye chakra. This stone is excellent to meditate with and just see what's coming up for you. What keeps replaying? What stories do you keep replaying in your mind that aren't serving you? We can write them, we can release them. This may also help to bring up not just stories that we're replaying in our mind, but messages that we need to hear. Messages from the spirit of here's where we need to go, here's where we need to move forward, here's what we need to release, here's what's holding you back, okay? So I hope that you find this helpful, and happy full moon in Libra.